Hey everyone, today we're in Beer, Wine and Spirits in Weston. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see, which is very, very nice. So we've got a Kirby over here and a Buffalo Trident. And there's 3 evaporators in here. 2 have four fans on them. And of course, the Kirby has 2. So there's the coil on the back, as you can see. There's the drainage pipe right there. So yeah, there's 2 there for the Kirby, so there's 4 on the Buffalo Tridents. So that makes about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty interesting. Of course, see the Buffalo Trident fans right here. Like I mentioned before, they look very similar, Kirby and Buffalo Tridents. Of course, there's the coil right there, as you can see. And there's the drainage pipe right here. This one's quite old, but very nice, as you can see. It's very cold here, not gonna lie. Drainage pipe right there, and there's the coil. So yeah, that's about it really, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.